Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create an X account that grows in 2026. In 2026, growing your X account is not all about the likes and the replies, but it's all about strategic positioning and knowing the right things to do. So I'm going to be taking you guys straight into X today. So the first thing to do if you're new to X or if you already have X in your app, the first thing you need to do is to first of all download the app. So you can get the app on either Play or Apple Store. So and after downloading the app, the first thing you're gonna do is to come over to your profile. And on your profile, there are a lot of things that needs to fall into place because your profile is just like the front of your business here. So your profile needs to be presentable and look neat, that someone that is visiting your profile for the first time can be able to follow you and converse. So the first step you need to do is to add your name, set a name for your page or for your account, add a description of what you do and what you share on your page, and add a neat profile picture. So here's my profile picture, and this is the banner of my page. So you can also do well to follow me. Thank you. So that's the first thing that you need to do on your X account. You need to add a clean and clear profile picture and also a clear description or detail of who you are and what you share on your page. And now the second thing that you need to do to grow your account is to get the X premium tick, so the blue tick. So as a creator on X, you need to purchase the premium or the blue tick. We have the plans for about, I think, about 7.2 or so. So you need to purchase it. I see people buying this because they actually some other plans which I'll be showing you now. Okay, manage subscription. There are actually some other plans, and I see people buying the one of 3,015 naira. It's loading. I wish I could show you what I'm talking about. There's a plan of 3,015 naira, and I would like to show you guys that. I would like to show you guys that plan is not opening, but it's a plan, or that is okay. Yes. So this basic here that is 3,015 naira. I will not advise you as a creator to buy this because you're not going to get much benefit as someone that is using premium. Do you understand? And premium is 7,600 naira per month. So I would advise you to go for the premium rather for the basic if you're someone that is interested in growing your X account. Now, after you have set up your profile, the next thing you want to do to grow on X is to focus on the replies. Yeah, find meaningful accounts or accounts that are in your niche that you want to go into that part of that posting, and you want to focus on replying in the comments. And you can always use some research tools, some AI research tools like DeepSeek to make researches on some posts and give a meaningful reply, because the replies that you get, that you post out there, is what people actually bring people to your page, because most of them click on your profile to see your page. So that reply can always convert into a follower. So you need to give reasonable replies. Don't just reply um, wow or laughing emoji, but you need to bring some sort of value, because the X algorithm, it notices human behavior. So when you reply a comment, for instance, under this post, okay, when you reply a post with a laughing emoji, the dwell time is usually lower. So the more the dwell time, the higher the dwell time. Now, what is the dwell time? The dwell time is the amount of time someone spends on reading your post. Do you understand? That's the dwell time. So the more amount of time that someone spends on reading your post or your reply, the more engagements you're going to get, like the more impressions you get and stuff like that. So you need to bring value under big accounts posts. Now let me show you, for instance, my replies. I actually have my best reply or the highest reply I've ever got. I bookmarked it, so I'll be showing you guys now. And now this is the reply. So let me just click on it. Now this is the reply. On this reply, look at the post here. The post is, when you are bored, it is extremely important not to jerk off. Now this post is basically talking about people maybe that jerk off doing, maybe when they are bored, they just want to jerk off to feel good and kind of like sleep or stuff like that, maybe with porn or masturbation. So here was my reply. A lot of bad habits starts with having too much free time. Do you understand? So it was just a simple reply. I never expected so much engagement from it. As you can see here, I got like 27,000 views. I was really surprised and I was happy. At that point, I began to feel like, okay, there's hope in replies, and most of my posts barely gets 1K views. So that's why I say it as a newbie, as someone that's starting out on X, as someone that wants to grow into a big account. The first thing you want to do is to focus on replying big accounts, because if you check that post, it had about 9.6 million views, and I am not even the top comments. I am not even the top comments. So you can now imagine what the top comments will be doing, because if you switch it to likes, you're going to see that we have someone that's ahead of me. Yeah, so you can see imagine someone that had 18K likes on a single post under the reply, not even the post itself, bro. 18K likes. And if you check his views, bro, he got like 448,000 views. So as a small account, you need to focus on the replies, because that's basically the importance of your blue tick. The replies, the blue tick or the verified premium gives you a further reach, than someone that is not verified. You understand? Especially if you check on that premium. Now let me show you. On that premium, if you check there, you're going to see that one of the advantages is boosted replies. So let me show you. So okay, in the premium, yeah, so you can see that one of the advantages of the premium is boosted replies. So for you to grow through replies, you need to purchase the premium. So another thing I want to show you is that don't feel like, oh, because I have 0 followers, I cannot make it on X. That's a very big fat lie. So basically, I have like 600 followers, and now let me show you, so you don't feel like, oh, I need a lot of followers to make it on X. That's not true, because for instance, now the guy with the top comments here, check his page, bro. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I think I made some mistake. So I want to show you guys the profile of the guy with the highest likes. So here, 1.5K, bro. 1.5K, and he got, and you can even see that he even pinned that post because it's his best performing post. Do you understand? So he even pinned it. So now, come to talk of it, the guy that had 9.6 million views is crazy, but it is what it is. Look at his page, 116 followers. That's what he's got. But he pulled in a post of 9.6 million views. That's to tell you that on X, you can always grow. There are chances of you to blow up on X as immediately the algorithm notices you. That is why you need to focus on giving out meaningful replies on that big post. So another thing that you need to do to grow your X account is followership. Now followership is another fact, because definitely even if you hit the 5 million impressions, which is one of the criteria of being monetized. So I'll just show you guys now on my creator studio so that you can see what I need to meet up to be verified. As you can see, my verified followers is 489 and my total impressions in the past 3 months is 149.1. So I'm going to show you guys the eligibility to earn on X. So as you can see, get verified by subscribing to the premium, get at least 500 premium followers, and have at least 5 million impressions on your post within the last 3 months. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to get 500 premium followers. When you're stuck and you need to get 500 premium followers, what you need to do is that you need to be on the side of X that where you can grow. So what you need to do is to just go over to this search bar and you're going to search grow. That's what you're going to search. So when immediately you search grow, this is what you are going to see. Is there? It's there. So you just need to search grow and you can see a lot of posts. You see good night my fam, drop a GN, rest well, tomorrow we grow and win together. So if you just go under this post now, you're going to see people who are here to help each other. You can see I'm active and connecting back. You can see good night, gentle rest. You can see drop a reply, let's check your page. So you just see people that are willing to follow you. And if you go under this one, okay, is this post relevant to your search? Yes. So you can send. Okay. So for instance, now under this Naomi's post, under 5K, lock in here and grow with us. So if you click it, you're going to see that there are a lot of comments saying let's build a community, not followers. You can see active, you can see let's grow together, you can see engage, you can see I FB ASAP. That means I follow back ASAP, but only verified accounts. So you can just, for instance, I can just say okay, I will like his comments, I will follow him, and I can just drop a reply like please follow back. Simple. By the time he follows me back, I've gotten one premium follower for free. You don't need to pay for anything, and I will never advise you to spend money on purchasing followers. That's the worst thing you ever do to your account because you will never grow because X notices that. So basically this video is already becoming very long. These are the basics to grow your X account. And the third thing I would like to draw before I end this video is that you need to find a niche that you're going to be focusing on your X account. For instance, me, I share lessons on entrepreneurship, wealth building, business strategies, and realities of building something from the scratch. Yeah, so these are the kind of posts you will see on my page. So you need to focus on your niche because opportunity and smart position meet hand in hand. When you get the opportunity, you need to be ready. Do you understand? The moment your posts begin to get momentum, you need to be ready to grab the opportunity. Do you understand? So when your posts are all almost related, the moment a post gains momentum, the algorithm is likely going to push related posts aside that post. Do you understand? For instance, if you're someone that posts about hair or you post about fashion, for instance, the moment your post begins to go viral, the algorithm is likely going to push your fashion contents and they will begin to go viral as well. So you need to be positioning yourself and wait for the opportunity. And mind you, this is not something that you achieve in a single month or in 2 months. You can even spend as much as 5 months or even a year before you can actually become monetized and earn from X. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, follow my YouTube account because it's very important to me. I'm not even up to 500 followers yet, but I keep on posting to give out information. So follow me and remember, thank you.